No, rip it off. Rip off the paper. There you go. Good job. There you go. What's inside? Are you bringing me the paper? No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, no, no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. You're supposed to rip the paper off, not keep it.
That was funny.
What? Get the paper. Ben, here's the present. The present's over here. See? Oh, here it is. Ooh. Good job. Benjamin. Ben.
You gotta give him the next piece of your bottle.
Oh, good job. Yay, we got it out. Say thank you, Grandma. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Good.